Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to discuss how you can find out the exact capacitor type that your Citizen Ecodrive is going to need in order to operate correctly. You can apply this tutorial to other solar watches such as the Seiko solar watches, to Casio G-Shock watches that are solar powered. So what we want to do after we have opened the back of the watch is to read on the back of the capacitor the exact numbers that we have. So in my case I have Panasonic MT621. So in order to correctly and safely replace the capacitor, I'm going to pre-order this exact type. I'm also going to leave a link in the description box below. And something really important is not to attempt to insert a regular watch battery because you can permanently damage your watch. Also, there are going to be different types of capacitors out there, so make sure to order the one from the same brand first of all, and then secondly, you also want to be very attentive to how your capacitor is going to be removed and put back in, because each capacitor is going to have, let's say, a different format in terms of a metallic plate that they usually place on these. I'm going to remove this one so that I can actually show you. And also another very important thing is not to maneuver your capacitor with a metallic pair of tweezers because you can actually damage it. So I'm going to use a non-metallic one. So I'm going to pick it up, and when I'm going to pick it up, you want to see that right here at 6 o'clock we have a metallic plate. So that is the plate that connects to the place where it is going to, let's say, charge the watch, and also the capacitor is going to be charged. So when I'm going to put it back in, I'm going to place it in the exact same way. And this time I'm going to make sure that once again I do not touch the capacitor with a metallic pair of tweezers in order to put it back in. So this was a type of capacitor, but you are going to have others out there as well. So make sure to read the exact type, and as you can see, the watch is working. This means that we have done everything correctly. So in order to know the exact capacitor type, read on the back of your capacitor. In case your capacitor is missing, you can go on the back of your watch and you can read the exact model number that you have. So in my case, I believe this is going to be the E100, and I can go and search even with AI right now in order to know the exact capacitor type that your watch is going to need in order to work correctly. In case you want to watch the full guide from start to finish on how to replace the capacitor, I have a full guide, and I'm also going to post videos for these as well. So for the Seiko solar watch and for the Casio one that is with the 5 alarms, and this is going to be the AQ810, so S810W. Both tutorials, or all 3 tutorials, are going to be found in the description box below, so make sure to check them out. I'm also going to have links to the watch tools, and also if you would like to purchase your first vintage or pre-owned watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.